Focus, focus. There it is. State the quadrant in which theta lies in. So I told you to draw a coordinate plane. Class, what's the silly acronym that'll help you figure out where it's positive? Ready, set, go. So here we're in quadrant 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now that acronym tells you where it's positive. Here, this one says sine of theta is greater than 0. Anything that's greater than 0, think of your bank account. You want your bank account to be greater than 0. That's just a fancy way of saying positive. Positive. So where is sine positive? Sine is positive here because that's where all of them are positive. And sine is positive here in quadrant 2 because that represents sine and its reciprocal identity, cosecant. Here, in these two quadrants, it's negative. So checks for yes, X's for no's. Let me do cosine. Saying cosine of the angle is greater than 0. Class, what does greater than 0 mean? Positive. So where is cosine positive? Quadrant 1 and quadrant 4. Because this represents cosine and its reciprocal identity secant. That means it's negative here and it's negative here, which I'm looking for positive. And so the only quadrant that actually has both of those that are positive, the answer is? Quadrant 1 is the answer. Quadrant 1 is the answer because both sine and cosine are both positive. Okay? Let's try the second example. Draw a coordinate plane. My pen doesn't work. Class, tell me the acronym. Ready, set, go. What quadrants? See if I can pick some different colors. Class, what does this tell me in this blue box? Where sine is what? Which means what? Okay, question. Where is it positive? 1 and what? 2, right? Class, here's another way of asking it. Where is sine negative? Or not positive? Quadrants 3 and 4. Class, what does this mean in orange? Okay, this is saying cosine is less than 0. We're finding where cosine is negative. Now let me ask it in a different way. Where is cosine positive? Put your two fingers. This is where cosine is positive. Class, are we looking for positive? No. We're looking for what? Negative. So I'm going to cross it off. That means in these two locations, cosine is negative. And the only one that has both of them is what? Quadrant 2. So quadrant 2 is our answer. Quadrant 2 has sine positive and cosine negative.